Regardless of whether or not you're using a bright white canvas or one that you're painting over, pick a color. Like I said, I use acrylic paint. Just pick a color and squirt it on, because this is all going to be just abstract. Get paint on the canvas. So that's why this one is so easy to start as a demo, because everybody, regardless of what kind of surface you're using, what kind of paint you're using, just pick a color and cover up whatever is already there. Get some water, because when you spatter and you drizzle, the more water you have on there, this is the stuff that I learned by doing that sample piece all week, is I got to get the right consistency for my water and my paint. And so getting that paint on there, getting some of that water on there, that's really helpful to that base layer. You can kind of spread it around. So now, since I chose yellow originally, and I have water in both of these containers, and the reason I'm using 2 containers is, one is just to keep the brushes wet and clean, and this one is so that I can get the right consistency. It's wider and lower. So when I'm using the big brush for the spattering, which I'm going to show you right now with the blue actually. So when I put the blue down, I'm putting that on a piece of my gray palette paper. And I'm going to get this big brush. This one works really well for spattering. And I'm going to get lots of water here. I'm actually going to put this one back in this water. And I'm going to get lots of water in my blue paint. So it's really watery blue paint. And then I'm just going to start the spattering. Try to go at different angles. Maybe turning the canvas is the right. See, and that's the trick, is that water gets used up and then it doesn't spatter. Ooh. All right, there we go. So I don't know if there's even any red left in here, but let's see if I can get some out. All right, I did get some out. So I can get some water and mix my red in a little bit. Might be a little bit purple. And we're spattering. Alright, so you can keep going with the spattering. And what I found out about the drizzle is that for me, the drizzle worked best when I actually drizzled on the canvas, let the paint itself that I spattered drizzle. So we need to see if there's any white. There is. We want to get some white spatter in there for sure, because that spatter and drizzle got really dark. And so it's really primary colors are really dark. So let's get some white spatter. Ooh. And look at it spattered completely different. That's what gets exciting. I've been trying to get into pink lately, so I'm obviously working on it well since I'm running out of white and red. I just can't seem to get that corner spattered. Okay. So then I leave the spatter dry for a while, and then that's when I put the pattern in.